Prepare your ears and eyes for the most immersive desktop gaming experience ever. Logitech G's brand new G560 gaming speaker is joining the G500 series family, and it does a whole lot more than just belt out some serious bass.
Plug your ears, kid. It's gonna be loud.
The cutting-edge G560 allows you to play like never before, harnessing the power of light and sound to deliver a depth of immersion you won't believe. Using Logitech G's incredible new LightSync technology, the G560 is driven by games to produce intelligent RGB lighting that complements what's happening on screen, whilst also filling your room with amazing DTS:X positional audio surround sound. Right out of the box, the G560 has full lighting integration with a great roster of games, especially programmed by the game designers themselves to enhance your play by complementing in-game events and actions through LightSync. Combine this with diamond-tipped audio fidelity and you'll be able to enjoy the most immersive gaming experience you've ever had. The speakers themselves also pack one hell of a punch, delivering up to 240 watts of powerful sound. But such grunt is perfectly balanced with accurate positional audio, courtesy of DTS:X Ultra, helping to heighten the level of realism still further.
My insides are shriveled up with the hunger.
You can even create custom lighting profiles for every game in your library, no matter where your tastes lie. Or use the screen sampler function to extend colour across 4 lighting zones into your room in real time, delivering stunning environmental lighting no matter what you're enjoying. But the LightSync RGB integration isn't just limited to games. Fire up your music library and you can enjoy rainbow lighting effects from the front and back with LightSync Audio Visualizer pulsing to the beat, or create your own custom lighting profiles. You can make the most of the G560 as you can connect to the speakers via Bluetooth, 3.5mm jack or USB, and seamlessly switch between up to 4 audio devices with Logitech Easy Switch technology. There's never been a better time to upgrade your gaming audio setup, and you can find out more about the latest addition to the G500 series by heading over to logitechg.com.
Ready for a modern look and incredible audio? Klipsch Reference powered speakers deliver room-filling sound with a minimal amount of gear, and they'll work with virtually anything. TVs, computers, phones, tablets, turntables, you name it. With an integrated turntable preamp, Bluetooth wireless technology, digital optical, analog RCA, and USB inputs, it's goodbye clunky AV receiver and hello onboard amplifier and dynamic stereo sound. And with Klipsch powered speakers dynamic bass EQ, you get rich, powerful bass, whether the listening volume is low, cranked up, or somewhere in between. Just plug in or wirelessly connect your source, and you're ready to rock. Signature sound in a sleek, self-powered package. Klipsch Reference powered speakers.
So much music and other entertainment comes from your computer. The problem is, you're not always right at your computer, which is why the engineers at Bose developed Companion 20 speakers. They're the best-sounding 2-piece computer speakers Bose has ever built, delivering full, natural sound that's powerful enough to enjoy even from across the room. It's all made possible with technologies available only from Bose. Exclusive True Space stereo digital signal processing brings all your computer content to life with wide, natural sound, while a unique acoustic design delivers the deep lows and room-filling sound you might not expect from just 2 computer speakers. Plus, a unique control pod makes it easy for you to adjust volume, mute, and connect headphones or another audio device. The Companion 20 multimedia speaker system, designed to bring more life to music, videos, and games, and engineered so you can enjoy the sound from anywhere in the room.
The AudioEngine A2 Plus is the new standard for high-end computer audio. Whether for home or office, these small, high-performance speakers are the perfect upgrade for your computer. Everyone knows the difference between the quality of custom-built, small-batch products and the disappointment of mass-produced, over-marketed products. The A2 Plus was custom-built by AudioEngine with the goal of exceeding expectations of both value and performance. The original A2 speaker was a bestseller for 6 years, which is an eternity in the consumer electronics world. So for the A2 Plus, we kept the same basic design but added a few nice features to improve performance. The A2 Plus is built with high-quality components, 3-inch Kevlar woofers, silk tweeters, and hand-finished wood cabinets. 2 15-watt analog amplifiers are built into the left speaker, and the right speaker is passive, so the setup is very simple, and all cables are included. Just plug the left speaker into the wall and connect the included speaker wire from left to right. The A2 Plus has a variable RCA output for a subwoofer connection, upgraded binding posts, upgraded power connection, and 3 audio inputs: 1/8-inch, RCA, and USB. The USB input is the main upgrade on the A2 Plus, and it allows you to connect directly to your computer's USB port instead of the 1/8-inch headphone output. The A2 Plus has a high-performance digital to analog converter, or DAC, built in. Connecting a high-quality DAC to your computer via USB and bypassing the computer's lower-quality DAC is the best way to increase performance of any computer audio system. And you can still connect any source to the A2 Plus, not just a computer. Use a TV, turntable, iPad, or simply stream Pandora from your phone for a great little system anywhere in your house. Audio Engine also offers standalone DACs, wireless solutions, and don't forget the little desktop stand for the A2 Plus called the AD-S1. The goal at Audio Engine has always been to give people a high-end listening experience at an affordable price, and we really hope you enjoy the A2 Plus.